And today I have a meditation to share with you that was written by Mother Myrtle Fillmore. And this is a meditation on the search. So if you'll take a moment, allow your body to just relax, uncross your legs or arms, take a deep breath. Focus in on your heart and allow these words from Mother Myrtle to reach deeply into your mind and your spirit. Dear Lord of my being, alone with you I'm asking, what am I? Who am I? Where am I? The answer comes from within. I am not what I seem. Flesh and blood do not reveal me to myself. Behind personal estimates comes the consciousness that I am inseparably joined with you. And until my union is acknowledged and consummated through divine cooperation of spirit, soul, and body, I'm not content nor one with you in consciousness. I am that I am. I am your full possibility. Where I am in reality is in your heart. Where I am in the world of effects depends upon what I think I am. Lord of my being, I would be disentangled from the servitude and vicissitudes of the formed world. I would do all that you would have me do. I would be in the world but not of it. I would dwell in the gloriousness of your omnipresent companionship. I would always be still enough to hear your voice instead of the confusion and clamor of the senses. I would know and not assume. I would truly live and not just exist. Give me, dear Lord, thy conscious support. Let me be filled with the love and zeal that give character and direction to the activities of mind and body. I in them and you in me, that they may be perfected into one. I in them and you in me, that all may be perfected into one. I am that I am. I am the Mother Spirit. I am the goodness on earth. Claim these things in your heart. I am the Mother Spirit. I am the nurturer. I am the bringer of goodness. I am the light of the world. I am the joy. I am the flow. I am the happiness. I am that I am. That Mother Myrtle spirit is rising in me. It's rising in you. It's rising in we. Hold that I am thought in your mind and your spirit as we sit for a minute together in the silence. And as we breathe in, claim that I am in you. I am. I am. I am. Claim it, and may it be so, and so it is.